What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Scuba Driver. My name is Steven. Today we're going to talk about something a little bit different. Today we're going to talk about Cars and Coffee Charlotte getting canceled for this month. So let's get into today's video. If you guys are new to the channel, do me a favor. Please hit that thumbs up button for this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're interested in this kind of content. We normally are working on my wide body FRS, playing with RC cars, something new we've been doing, and going to car shows like Cars and Coffee. So do me a big favor and go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, but let's get into today's video. All right, so we're just gonna jump right into it. If you guys are in the Charlotte area or big into Cars and Coffee, you'll notice that Cars and Coffee Charlotte, for the first time in I don't know how long, just posted the other day that they are postponing Cars and Coffee until further notice. It hasn't been completely canceled yet, at least that's what it seems like this post is saying, but this is a giant car show, tons of people go. And I know a lot of people, including myself, look forward to it. In fact, it's kind of funny. I worked retail for a really long time, and when I finally switched over to a Monday through Friday job, I was really excited, mainly because I knew I was going to be guaranteed to be able to go to Cars and Coffee the first Saturday of every month. Anyways, I'm going to get into it and read you guys what they posted. All right, so Cars and Coffee on their Instagram and Facebook and everything posted the other day. They posted a picture of a SF90 actually, and with a giant yellow bar that says, Cars and Coffee Charlotte postponed. Due to the ongoing reckless behavior, we are postponing our event until further notice. Please read the caption below. I was really upset right when I saw that. All right, so the post goes on to read, due to the actions of the disrespectful attendees at our event, we are postponing Cars and Coffee Charlotte until further notice. We put on this event to bring together the passionate enthusiasts to hang out and talk cars. We do not condone the reckless behavior and have mentioned it many times that it is not allowed. With that being said, we have not been shut down. It is fully our decision to postpone the event until we can get a better handle on those that deliberately go against the rules. To those of you, which are most of you, that are respectful to others, our event and location, we greatly appreciate your attendance and are working very hard to find a solution so we feel comfortable to bring back the event. We will post updates as we go, and again, want to thank those of you that follow the rules and reassure you that we will be back and even better. So yeah, there we have it. I'll get into some of the comments before I get into my thoughts about this, because there's about 700 comments just on the Instagram post alone. Says, that is unfortunate, but I figured that it was bound to happen based on the YouTube videos filmed on Merriwood Road and the 485 ramp. Another comment from Queen City Cars official, which I'm sure a lot of you guys know him. Lack of respect from some turns into punishment for others who actually give a you know what about this event and the community it builds. Completely agree. Let's see what else we got here. Anyone goes to the street/485 exit and you scream at everyone to do burnouts, thanks for ruining this meet. One comment goes on to read, other than the love for cars, I feel like our car community is one of the last places left in all of society where everyone can come together no matter race, gender, financial status, etc., and all of us feel included and at home. You could be standing talking to a billionaire and only be a person who makes minimum wage, yet you both share the love of cars, and because of that, you form a long-lasting relationship with each other. And for those who are ruining it, I'm asking you to take this into consideration for just this one event in particular at this time. If you're going to Hoon and do all that crazy driving, you can do that elsewhere. There's definitely plenty of that to go around. Please be respectful so we can keep our Cars and Coffee incredible in a place that adds so much value to all of our lives. All right, so with all that being said, yes, I know that me being on YouTube, I'm definitely not a big YouTuber or anything like that, but there are plenty of videos that I have of people leaving Cars and Coffee. That's not the only reason that I go there. Obviously, yes, it's entertaining, but obviously it's completely disrespectful. It's a giant event. The property owners are nice enough to let us use that space once a month for a giant car show. The fact that it all goes as smooth as it does already blows my mind, but for the people that leave, I know they're doing it because one, they just want to show off, and two, everybody's standing out on the road like myself, filming these videos of these cars leaving. So there's a lot of thoughts to be had about that, and I'm kind of going to go ahead and get to that. My first thought is we've taken advantage of this show. Obviously, we've been lucky enough to have one of the biggest Cars and Coffee events probably in the entire country, and you really don't know what you got sometimes until it's gone. So I'm really, really hoping that we can get this event back up and running, and hopefully everybody kind of has learned their lesson. At least almost everybody has learned their lesson that we need to be respectful of this, because this is obviously a giant event for tons of car enthusiasts, including myself. My second thought is there's a lot of YouTubers out there, a lot of people just trying to get content, and we all know that almost everybody would rather see a car doing something crazy, driving fast, accelerating, revving, shooting flames, doing burnouts, whatever the case may be. Obviously, that is more entertaining to watch on video. There's a time and a place for it all. This event is not that time and place. I'm just as guilty about it as everybody else that's put this content on YouTube. We'll talk about that, what we're going to do moving forward. If and when Cars and Coffee Charlotte decides to come back, basically it's not going to be next month in March, but maybe it's April, June, July, who knows when it's going to be. I do plan on making it a point to try and get out there every Saturday that I can. And two, my next point is, I don't think I'm going to be filming any more of the reckless behavior, even though it's entertaining, it makes for a great thumbnail, whatever it may be. I'm not going to film any more of it. This car show is just a place for enthusiasts to get together. It's not a racetrack, it's not a stunt track. There's no reason to be filming that or doing that. It puts other people in danger, and obviously it can ruin a giant event for everybody. I can't imagine how many people got that news. They used to look forward to going to it with their, mom or dad or friends or whatever it may be, that now know that they can't go to it. So from here on out, when I go to Cars and Coffee Charlotte, I'm not going to film any of the crazy stuff. Hopefully it doesn't happen anymore, but if it does, I'm just not going to film it. That's it. And with that being said, guys, I think that's going to wrap up today's video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below about Cars and Coffee being postponed, about the reckless videos and content that goes out there. Like I said, moving forward, we'll just try and avoid that, especially that event altogether, and just get back to our regular scheduled programming. But anyways, I really hope you guys did enjoy today's video. We will get back to building my FRS, messing with these RC cars, and who knows what else. I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.